Now classification of bricks. Okay, now I will discuss the first class, second class, third class and fourth class bricks. Okay, first of all, there are two types of bricks, that are unburned or sun dried bricks, and second are the burned bricks. Okay, the unburned burned or sun dried bricks means these bricks are not burned in the or dried in the kiln. They are dried in the presence of sun only. Okay, first of all, unburned. Here are the unburned. Unburned or sun-dried bricks are those bricks which are dried with the help of heat that is received from sun. After the process of molding, they are left in the atmosphere in the presence of sun. The unburned bricks can only be used in the construction of simple, temporary and cheap structures. Okay, because that are not burnt bricks and their strength is also not good. Okay, unburned bricks should not be used at places exposed to heavy rains, because due to heavy rain they will melt, or the soil in the bricks will flow with the pressure of heavy rains. Now classification of burned bricks. Okay, the bricks used in the construction works are burned bricks, and they are classified into the following four categories: first class bricks, second class bricks, third class bricks, fourth class bricks. Okay, here is first class bricks. Okay, plain surface, sharp edges and size with tolerance in dimension plus minus 3% is allowed. Okay, for the first class bricks, we in the previous lecture I have discussed the shape and size test, where 20 bricks in the lengthwise, 20 bricks in the widthwise and 20 bricks in the heightwise are placed, and after that the dimensions of average brick is measured. Okay, the tolerance is allowed plus minus 30% from the standard size. Okay, first class bricks has a uniform red or brownish color, high crushing strength, not less than 10.7 newton per millimeter square, mean 10.7 megapascal. It should be machine molded. Okay, the molding should not be handmade, should be machine molding. Efflorescence should be nil, and the water absorption should be less than 15% for the first class bricks. They are used for the exterior wall brickworks, short column and arches, etc. Okay, because these are good bricks. Second class bricks, slightly uneven faces and edges with tolerance in dimensions plus minus 8%, uniform colored but may be slightly overburned. Okay, their color is uniform but they are slightly overburned. High crushing strength but not less than 7 newton per millimeter square, that is 7 megapascal. It may be hand molded. Efflorescence little, 0 to 10% in the second class brick, and the water absorption capacity should be less than 20%. They are used for internal walls and compound walls. Okay, where heavy walls, 9 inch, 13 inch, okay, heavy walls are used in the internal works. Third class bricks may be distorted with the blunt edges. Okay, overburn or underburn and non-uniform color. Okay, maybe overburn, some are maybe not properly burned, and maybe their color is not uniform. Crushing strength not less than 3.5 newton per millimeter square, mean megapascal. It may be hand molded, and the efflorescence allowed, that is large but 10 to 50%. Water absorption should be less than 25% in the third class brick. They are used for flooring, paving, small brick foundation and brick ballast for the construction of floors. Fourth class bricks, these are overburned bricks with irregular shape and dark color. Okay, here you will also observe before in the kiln, after the burning, some bricks are also come with the lot, or sometimes there is a whole lot are overburned bricks, so that's are called fourth class bricks. These bricks are used as an aggregate for concrete in foundations. Okay, as an aggregate we can use in the concrete in foundation, brick floors, surkhi, rod. Surki is a red powder of bricks mixed with cement, and we do the just like we do the whitewash to the walls, and similarly we do the red color to the walls. That is called surki. Because of that, the our burnt bricks have a compact structure, and hence they are sometimes found to be stronger than even in the first class bricks, because their burning is so much there due to the change in composition of particle. So their strength may be greater than even first class bricks. They are, even their sizes are not regular, so that's why it cannot be used in the place of first class brick. It is thus seen that the above classification of bricks is based on the manufacturing or preparing bricks. Advantages of brick. Brick will not burn, buckle or melt. Okay, they are so much temperature resistant. Bricks will not burn. For example, if there is a wood structure, that will definitely burn with in the presence of fire. So brick will not burn. Brick will not rust and corrode just like steel or rebar reinforcement. Brick will not require constant maintenance. Third, brick will not require constant maintenance. Fourth, economical. Raw material is easily available, that is the soil, so that is easily available. Hard and durable. Compressive strength is good enough for ordinary construction. Different orientations and sizes give different surface and texture. There are a lot of variety of different bricks that are manufactured, like gutter bricks, bullnose bricks. Okay, reusable and recyclable. Okay, we can reuse if any construction we are demolishing any construction, we can use that brick material to another, and even that is the recyclable. Okay, highly fire resistant. That are the advantages of bricks. Now disadvantages of bricks. Time consuming construction, because one by one brick unit has to be placed. So that's why time consuming construction. Okay, cannot be used in high seismic zones because it do not bear movements or resist the seismic forces. Since bricks absorb water easily, therefore it causes efflorescence. White patches appear on the plaster that cause very bad impact. Very less tensile strength means just like steel, that is very strong material. Brick are very brittle and they do not have a tensile strength. When they are pulled, they break. Okay, but they have a good compressive strength. Okay, its tensile strength is weak, but compressive strength is good of bricks. Cleaning brick surfaces is a hard job. Okay, definitely cleaning brick surfaces is a hard job. Color of low quality brick changes when exposed to sun for a long period of time. Okay, they even lose its strength after period of a long period of time, maybe 30 or 40 years, but that is good. We have put in the disadvantage of the bricks. So that's all. Have a nice day.